Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. If you like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up or commenting below. If you want to see more of my videos, press the subscribe button and click on the bell for notifications. If you need any Stampin' Up! Products to make this card, you can visit my online store and the link is in the description box below. When you purchase Stampin' Up! Products through me, you can earn free products. Check out my current customer appreciation products on my blog, and the link is listed below in the description. Today, I'd like to share with you another paper pumpkin alternative project using the July 2021 Paper Pumpkin Kit. Each month, I provide my Paper Pumpkin subscribers with an exclusive card kit designed by me. This is the card they will be making with their kit. If you would like to also receive this extra perk, you can sign up to get your own Paper Pumpkin subscription by using the link in the description box below or on my blog, creativechelsea.com. So let's go ahead and see how I made this card. So the card we're creating today focuses on just using the stamp set from the kit. If you're interested in seeing some of my other alternative projects or watching me unbox the kit, you can click on the link in the top right corner. So this card has a fun background that we're going to stamp on a piece of Crumb Cake Cardstock, and it's been cut to 4 1/4 by 5 1/4. So we're going to begin with the word explore, and that comes from the stamp set, and I have stamped it in Crumb Cake ink on Crumb Cake Cardstock, and you're just stamping it randomly. You can stamp a couple together. You can do some individually or separate. You want to kind of focus along the left side and also make sure to add some to the bottom. And you want to kind of keep them in the bottom half. Don't worry so much about what's happening at the top. Then we're going to take Garden Green ink, which is the ink spot that came in the kit, and you're going to ink up the large tree image. Then you'll want to grab some scratch paper and you'll stamp off to lighten that ink color. And then we're going to stamp on kind of all over this bottom area. So I just want to make sure I've got some scratch paper underneath as well, just so that I don't ruin my brand new grid paper underneath. So again, we're going to do about 4 of these. So here's another one. This one may be up a little higher and all the way over to the left. And then we'll do another one on the right side. Maybe about here. And then the last one a little lower. Okay. So you'll get something that looks like that. And then another step we're going to do for the background is we're going to tear along the right edge. So just go ahead and tear that. After tearing it, we may decide to restamp that last tree because we kind of just tore it off. So let's go ahead and grab that image again and stamp one more time. It's just a little higher so we can see it right about there. Okay, so that looks good. Then we're going to take that same tree stamp and with some white cardstock, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to ink it up, stamp it off, and then stamp it on. And then we're going to do the details inside this one. This also came in that stamp set. So it looks like that. And then we're going to fussy cut this out. So there's the tree all fussy cut out. And then we're going to stamp just a couple more things. We'll want a greeting, and I'm going to stamp the greeting in Early Espresso ink. It's just going to be nice and dark so it stands out. And I wanted to use The World Awaits You. But the stamp set has lots of options, and you can stamp any of those on this card. I'm stamping it on a piece of white cardstock that's been cut to a 1/2 inch strip by 3.5 inches. So the last thing I want to stamp are these butterflies. And I originally stamped them in Magenta Madness, but I wanted to try another color. So I brought out Rich Razzleberry. And so I'm going to go ahead and stamp a couple of those. They do come as separate stamps, but you can add them together to one clear block to make it easy to stamp them at the same time. And I'm just going to fussy cut these out as well, and then we'll come back and put our card together. All right, so those are ready now for my card. So to finish off this card, you'll need a couple other products as well. I have a card base in Early Espresso, and it's just your regular size, 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches and scored at 4 1/4. And I'm just going to go ahead and use a bone folder to make a nice crease. And I'm just going to go ahead and add that piece to the front and just kind of bend down that top left corner just to add a little bit more texture and kind of that outdoors feeling to the card. Then I'm going to add the tree that we've stamped and cut out just between these other trees here. So wherever you'd like to place that. Then I'm going to do the greeting, and I've added dimensionals to the back. And I'm just going to place that down here below the tree, just in the center of the card. Then I have punched a couple different leaf images from some punches. You could also use dies here. So this one is the Sprig Punch. I'll just show you that really quickly. And I've punched it from, this one's Granny Apple Green. And then this one, these little ones, are from the Symmetrical Border Punch. And I've punched those from Garden Green. And let me show you that punch really quick. So that's this one. And then I'm going to add the butterflies with glue dots to my card as well. Just add those a couple different places. Then the last thing I want to add are just some embellishments. I have some champagne rhinestones here. I'm just going to place up near the butterflies and then maybe down by the tree. And then I have 10 inches of natural twine, and I'm just going to tie a bow and add that with a glue dot to my card. Just like that. And this card is all done. I hope you enjoyed watching me create another alternative card using the July 2021 Paper Pumpkin Kit. If you're interested in getting written instructions or seeing close-up images of this card, you can visit my blog, creativechelsea.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.